Bernese Mountain Dog tail docking and ear cropping. Controversies. Bernese Mountain Dogs are known for their gentle and friendly nature, making them a popular choice for families. These large and beautiful dogs are often seen with their tails wagging and ears perked up, bringing joy to their owners. However, there is a controversial practice that involves tail docking and ear cropping in this breed, raising ethical questions among dog lovers and veterinarians alike. Tail docking is a procedure that involves shortening a dog's tail by removing part of it. It is usually done when the puppies are just a few days old, using a surgical procedure or even by merely tying a rubber band around the tail to cut off blood circulation. The claimed reason for tail docking in Bernese Mountain Dogs is to prevent injuries and keep their tails from being injured while working or in rough terrain. However, opponents argue that this is a cosmetic procedure that serves no real purpose and is simply done to conform to breed standards and aesthetics. Similarly, ear cropping is a surgical procedure that involves removing part of a dog's ears to alter their shape and size. Again, the justification for ear cropping in Bernese Mountain Dogs is that it enhances their appearance and is historically linked to working dogs. However, many argue that ear cropping is unnecessary and painful for the dogs, purely for cosmetic reasons, and should be banned. Advocates for tail docking and ear cropping argue that these procedures have been practiced for centuries and are deeply ingrained in the history and tradition of certain breeds. They believe that tail docking and ear cropping are necessary to maintain breed standards and aesthetics. Additionally, they claim that these procedures do not cause significant harm or pain to the dogs when performed by a skilled veterinarian. On the other hand, opponents of tail docking and ear cropping argue that these practices are outdated and unnecessary. They believe that breed standards should prioritize a dog's well-being and functionality rather than appearance. Additionally, they argue that these procedures can cause pain, discomfort, and potential complications for the dogs. Moreover, many countries and organizations, such as the United Kingdom and the American Veterinary Medical Association, have come out against tail docking and ear cropping, considering them unethical and inhumane. It is important to note that not all countries have banned tail docking and ear cropping. In some places, these procedures are still widely practiced and accepted as a part of breed standards. However, there is a growing movement towards banning or restricting these practices, considering the ethical implications and the lack of scientific evidence supporting their necessity. In recent years, there has been a shift in public opinion towards favoring the welfare and well-being of animals, including dogs. As a result, more and more countries are banning or heavily regulating tail docking and ear cropping. The focus is now on promoting responsible breeding practices and prioritizing the health and welfare of dogs over cosmetic appearance. In conclusion, the controversy surrounding tail docking and ear cropping in Bernese Mountain Dogs remains a heated topic among dog lovers and professionals in the veterinary field. While some argue that these procedures are necessary to maintain breed standards and aesthetics, others advocate for their ban, considering them unethical and inhumane. As the understanding of animal welfare progresses, the focus should be on ensuring the well-being and functionality of dogs rather than conforming to outdated practices.